Good morning, class. Let us pray first. Anna, can you lead the prayer? Okay. Who's absent for today? Very good. Keep it up. So, how's your day? Is it good so far? That's good to know. So, are you ready to discuss our new topic for today? Okay, that's good. So, let's begin this with a group activity. Are you ready? Good. Now, I will divide you into 4 groups and each group will be given a pieces of paper with words written on it. You will be asked to arrange the words in order to make a sentence. Are you ready? Here's the paper. You may now start. Done already? Okay, pass the paper. Wow! Very nice! I am very pleased you were able to finish the task given to you. Now, let's discuss your answers. Anybody who can tell me what he or she notices with the following sentences? Very good observation. Now, based on the activity we had earlier, what do you think is our lesson for today? Very good. Today, we will discuss the 4 types of sentences. Let me introduce you the 4 types of sentences. Would someone read this for me? Thanks. Now, let's take a look at the sentence that Group 1 came up with. This one is a declarative sentence. Could you tell me the reason why it is classified as a declarative sentence? Very good, well said. Now, can somebody give me an example of a declarative sentence? Nice answers. Let's talk about the second type of sentence. Would someone read the definition as shown on the front? Nice one. And could you give me an example as well? Very good. It's easy to understand, right? Remember that an interrogative sentence ends up with a question mark, and the sentence that Group 2 came up with is an example of it. Did you get it? I also want to remind you that you have to read an interrogative sentence well. You have to sound like you're really asking a question. Don't just read it as if it is a declarative sentence, so you won't be misunderstood when someone listens to you. That is wonderful. So let's proceed to the next type of sentence, which is the imperative sentence. Read the definition mark. Thanks. Now let's check the sentence that Group 3 came up with. It ends up with a period, but that doesn't mean it's a declarative sentence. Can somebody explain the class why? Excuse me. You got it. Perfect. Now, I want you class to give me an example of an imperative sentence that gives in order or direction. Oh, well done. So what about an imperative sentence that expresses a request? Oh, I could see that you got a little confused with the imperative sentence, but I am glad you were able to get its function. Nice try for those who gave their answers. Now let's discuss the last type of sentence, which is the exclamatory sentence. Read the definition, Jane. Thanks, that's good to know. I know you'll find it very easy, right? To understand its function. Can somebody give me an example? Well done, class. Do you have any questions or any clarifications? Nice. I am very pleased with your participation. Now, let's have the short activity before you take the quiz. Using the pictures on the front, I want you to form different types of sentences according to function. This is for group 1. For group 2, for group 3, and for group 4. Excuse me. Very well said, class. Now, class, remember that learning language is a gateway to a good communicator in the future. So, remember also that sentences have 4 functions. They can be declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Can you again tell me the differences of the 4? And why do we need to learn the types of sentence? Anyone? Very good. And let us also remember the right punctuations to use when forming a sentence. Good. Now, we will make a short presentation depicting different situations and make sure to use all types of sentences. The groups that I assigned earlier will serve as your group on this group activity again. Are you ready? Okay, you may now start. Done already? Wow, nice idea. I am very pleased you were able to finish again the task given to you. Thank you, class. You really did understand the lesson for today. Okay, for your evaluation, I have again a pieces of paper and I want you to read each sentence carefully and identify their function. Write DC if it is a declarative sentence, INC if it is an interrogative sentence, IMC if it is an imperative sentence, and EC if it is an exclamatory sentence. Pass the papers. Okay, and for your assignment is on that evaluation form at the bottom. You can write it in your notebook as well as the evaluation. Did you understand? Again, thank you for listening. You are free to go. Class dismissed. Goodbye.